Have you ever struggled to track important rows in Excel while working with massive dataset? Well, today I am going to show you a simple but powerful trick using conditional formatting to make rows stand out instantly. And if you are an Office 365 user, stick around until the end because I have an exclusive bonus tip just for you. Let's dive in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So this is the dataset. You can see that it's a big data, and when we will be working with this type of data, there are chances that if we do not keep track, there could be mistakes. To avoid these mistakes, the best solution is that we should be keep tracking that in which row we are working. For this purpose, it will be ideal if the row in which we will be working would be highlighted. So how we can do this? Let's learn. First of all, I will select the whole data. For this purpose, I will use the short key Ctrl A. Next, I will click on this conditional formatting under the Home tab. And here I will select this new rule. I will select the last option, use a formula to determine which cell to format. And here I will type the formula that will be used to highlight this row. So here I will write equal row, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, equal cell, open parenthesis, in inverted commas I will write row, I will close this parenthesis, and after this I will click on this format. Here I have different formatting option. I'll use the fill color option and I will choose this light color, and after this I'll click OK and again OK. So now you can see that the row is highlighted, but there is a problem that this row is not dynamic. Like when I go to other cell, the row is not dynamically moving with this. To make it dynamic, I will right click on the sheet name and here I will click on this view code. After selecting the active worksheet, in between the private sub worksheet and the end sub, I will write a simple code that is target dot calculate. After this, I will just close this window also. And now when I will move to other cell, the highlighted row is dynamically moving. Now an important thing is that when I will save this project, I have to go to the file option and then I will click on this save as. So in the file type, I have to choose this Excel macro enabled workbook so that it will work whenever I open this worksheet. So I'll choose this and then save it. Now this type of highlighting the row is very super cool for those people who are not having the Microsoft 365 Office. For Office 365, we have another very super cool option. Before moving to this, I'm going to revert all these changes. So for Office 365 users, they can go to the View tab and then they have the option that is focus cell. When they will enable this by clicking, they can move across this data, and when they will click on any cell, the row as well as the column will be automatically highlighted. So in this way, they can keep track of what they are doing in the sheet. Another important option in this focus cell is that you can click on this button and then get different coloring options from the theme colors. And if we want to switch it off, we will again click on this focus cell and it will be disabled. And that's it. Conditional formatting make it easy to highlight key rows and streamline your workflow if you don't have Office 365. If you do have Microsoft 365, you can make use of focus cell to remain focused on what you are doing in the sheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you in the next one.